Okay, let's do the final question for your exercise. Actually, I have given up until October 2010 only. So this paper is from October 2010. And the answer for this question is x is less than -6 or x is bigger than -3. So now let's try to solve this question now. Right, okay, let me change the thickness a bit. One. All right. So we have our equation like this. So x squared minus 9, x plus 6. Okay, then we bring this part to the left hand side. -x minus 3. And you are left with 0 at your right hand side. The next thing to do is to make a common denominator, since we have this denominator here, x plus 6, so we are going to multiply that to x and -3 here. X squared minus 9 minus x plus 6 minus 3, x plus 6 over x plus 6 less than 0. Next, simplify it. -9, -x squared minus 6x minus 3x minus 18 over x plus 6 less than 0. So x squared minus x squared, bye-bye. -6x minus 3x, -9x. Then -9 minus 18, -27. And then over x plus 6. Sorry for the delay. Now we need to change the coefficient because, as I have told you earlier, we don't like this negative sign. So simply multiply both sides with negative. You're gonna get 9x plus 27 over x plus 6 bigger than 0. We need to change the sign, don't forget. Okay, so now we already have our two equations, so we can straight away list down our critical values. Our first equation will be 9x plus 27, let's say equal to 0. So our x will be 3. 9 multiplied by 3 is 27. And then our second critical value is coming from this equation. Let's say x plus 6 equal to 0. Our x will be -6. Now, what's left to do is to draw our number line. Okay, start from -6 to 3. Okay, let's draw this partition here. Okay, let's take a look at our first critical value, which is 3, which is this value. Okay, if we substitute 3 into this equation here, which equation am I referring to? This equation here. If we substitute 3 into that equation, oh sorry, it's not +3, it's -3, my bad. It's -3, my bad. negative 3. But still, negative 3 is bigger than negative 6. Alright, so if we substitute negative 3 into this equation here, this equation, you will get 0 over something, right? Say 0 over something. Means the answer will be 0. We don't want that to happen, since what we want is anything higher than 0. So we do not include negative 3. Just draw a white circle. Anything higher than that, let's say 0. 0 plus 27, 27, right? Okay, 1. Okay, 1 multiplied with 9 plus 27 is getting bigger. So anything higher than negative 3 will result in positive value. Anything lower than that result in negative value. So how about our negative 6? Okay, look at our negative 6. This value, negative 6. We try to substitute negative 6 in this equation. Negative 6 here will result in 0 denominator. We don't want that to happen. We do not include negative 6 in the range of our answer. Next, move on to this equation here. Negative 5 plus 6 will become positive. Negative 4 plus 6, positive. 0 plus 6, positive. So anything higher than this will result in positive, positive. Lower than that, you will get negative. So highlight, highlight, highlight. Now all you need to do is just to perform a division process. Okay, negative divide by negative, you get positive. Negative divide positive, negative. Positive divide positive, positive. So from here, you already get the answer for this question. You look back at this sign here. This sign here. Okay, you only want to get a positive value. So the answer that you choose is this one and this one. So the answer will be anything lower than negative 6 union with anything higher than negative 3. If the question asks you to write in interval notation, so this is the what is the answer? Okay, illustrate the solution on real number line. So your answer should be up until this point only. So that is the answer for this question. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.